The Chengying 50-inch touch frame turns a standard television or monitor into a responsive, multi-touch surface with precise 10-point tracking that feels smooth and accurate in use. Its slim infrared bezel keeps the overall installation looking clean and modern, which is especially important for public-facing kiosks and digital signage. Installation is straightforward, with a simple frame mount and plug-and-play connection that does not require special tools or complex calibration on supported systems. Native support for Windows, Android, and Linux makes it easy to integrate into a wide range of setups, from classrooms and meeting rooms to command centers and exhibits. The frame-only design lets you pair it with the display of your choice, so you can match the touch overlay to existing screens rather than buying an entirely new unit. Overall, it is a practical, versatile choice for interactive whiteboards, commercial displays, and other large-format touch applications where reliability and ease of use matter.